Okay, so I made it somewhat accessible now. Let's see why this one doesn't fire. Probably something stupid like the gas valve's off. Because here it's on. But who knows in here? And we're going to be so close that I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see. This is the Phillips too, because sometimes they're so tight. Gas valve is on. So it's not the gas valve. How the hell to get comfortable? I haven't checked to see if I have gas. This valve here looks on. Could be broken internally, but it looks on. I'm not even getting a click or anything. So I'm more thinking I have a bad pressure switch. Oh, we're locked out. Voltage. There we go. Bad pressure switch. Gotta love it. I can't even move. Now, it may not be the switch. It might not be, I'm just saying. Okay. So. That's clear. That's clear. Plus to plus. Minus to minus. See what happens now that I got the switch to move. DOA. There we go. We have power. But our switch is not opening. That's a problem. If that switch doesn't open, we don't come on. I love pressure switches. Nope, it's not stuck. There's something else. So really quickly, I think they've used no, that was full of water. They won't close. Hope they have 2 T's. Can't get through. Where's this? Where is? Okay, at least I have this and that here. Does the switch say where it's supposed to? What is my switch setting? Usually it'll say, so 0.65. I haven't done this in a while. I'm a little rusty with all my heat stuff. Where did I lose my manometer? Here we go. Magnahelic. Check in. The space is just a little too tight. Yeah. This is my negative side. This is my positive side. I gotta replace this hose here. Here we go. Oh, it's not crimped. I got no pressure. I got no friggin' pressure. Ah, thank you, little birdie, or whatever the hell I'm gonna find. The exhaust. I'm curious what's on the outside or inside. Alright, that didn't sound great. Alright, they killed it in the factory. Okay, let's put this on the side. Oh, wish I had a camera on there. Or I do, but one that I could actually see, not look at later. Need to get an inspection camera. This end looks opened, but it's, oh my, it's opened enough that, I hope not. He's got caps. He said he didn't have caps on there, but I don't know what he means. But I don't know if I was able to catch me testing the pressure switch out with my Magna-Helic gauge, or when I remove this. I'll find out later on when I edit. But unfortunately, with no air movement, it's one of two things. Either, we'll start with the easier of the two. Either this is not working, or I have something inside of the exhaust that made a home in there. We're going to be looking. Fraction in here. These T6s take friggin' forever to activate my heat. Oh, forget that. I feel like I'll be here for like 2 years. Nope, that works. I had no suction at all. This thing works. Okay. Well, I'm scared of this one. Dum dum da da dum da da da. So I figure right about there is where I'm gonna hit a chipmunk or something. Dum 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 da da dum da da. No. Nothing. I'm wondering if this was locked until I played with it. I heard it spinning. I have no room to find what's by my feet. And M. Gomez thought the last place I worked was cluttered. There I at least had room, I felt. Here if I had claustrophobia, I don't know how I would perform this job right now. Screw. All first shot. That usually never happens. Somewhere, I think it was on the drill. I'm not drilling this in because I don't want to break it. So I have pressure on my fan, but I have nothing being drawn in. Well, no, there would be nothing drawn in unless the front was on. I would have to put the front on for it to draw in air. Put these back on. That's positive. Bach is negative. Like this, it's never gonna start. I mean, this will make it start, but I don't want this. Igniter. Right, there's the igniter starting, but I don't want that. The knees are hurting. Here they could get stuck. But it'd have to be pretty big. If it didn't get stuck here, this is where they always get stuck and die. I don't think it would get stuck anywhere else. She's gone from suck to blow. Even that is worse. But so this becomes my first service call this year. Reheat. First of many. I don't fit. I'm too big. I'm way too big. This looks too big. Okay, I thought it was too big. That's too big. Okay, let's make sure this is clear. Get in out of that. Back to my switch. I may have the wrong switch on here. The switch not here. So I'm just checking negative and positive pressure. Bottom port is negative. I think I'm gonna change colors of my hoses. Not like it really matters much, but Here's a basic continuity test. Okay. So So the switch closed right there. Not saying I'm happy with that, but this is killing my knees. I need space to work, especially when there's a problem. I can't even put myself in that direction. Nothing. Oh. That works there. And here. But this is the plus. This is supposed to be fed from here. I mean, those are on there for a reason. These are still on. Yep. Right here's our problem. It's a bad switch. Okay, so this right here, I pulled the fan, I had it running without this. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to replace that cold header box because my pressure switch will not close. But I also do not have the right pressure on the plus side. See, if I disconnect, I have plenty of pressure on the negative side, but not on the plus side. So, therefore, swap that cold header box out. But I mean, the inducer motor I pulled is doing a wonderful job. I mean, I put water in the drain and the trap. This is just unfortunately a bad switch, not a bad switch, but a bad cold header box, not allowing me to get the proper pressure to my switch. And this is where I'm going to stop this call because I have somewhere I have to get to by 1 o'clock, and it is right now about 12:30. So I don't want to miss a barbecue. Till next time, I'm out.